Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Fireblocks to personal wallet step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fireblocks account. Ensure you are on the main dashboard. Locate the Assets section in the menu. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on the Withdraw button. In the withdrawal interface, enter your personal wallet address. Double-check the wallet address to avoid any errors. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm that all information is accurate. Proceed to select the withdrawal method. Choose the appropriate network for the transfer, based on your wallet's compatibility. Initiate the withdrawal by clicking the Submit button. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication process for security. Check your email for any confirmation messages from Fireblocks. Once confirmed, monitor the transaction status in your Fireblocks account. Wait for the cryptocurrency to appear in your personal wallet. Verify the transaction in your wallet for accuracy. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred crypto from Fireblocks to your personal wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.